Sok report lah. Boen, iya intro suruh ke saya.
Ya, siap.
Ya, langsung dimulai. Silakan kepada moderator.
Bentar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Sebelumnya, perkenalkan, saya Indina Faritandia sebagai host. Lalu di sini presenternya adalah Reksa, dan untuk moderator adalah Muhammad Hendra. Sebelumnya, izinkan saya membaca peraturan. Today, we will discuss about communicate, but before that, let us introduce first and read the rules during the activity. And for regulation, while activities continues as follow. 1. It's prohibited to speak or argue when the material explained. 2. Please turn off the mic when it's not needed. 3. Only two participants are allowed to ask questions. 4. If there are members who are considered to be disturbing, they will be removed from the Zoom. Okay? Finish to me. Next, moderator.
Okay. Thanks to Farid. Introduce myself again. I am Hendra. I am from Semanta Subang. I am here is moderator and my friend Alexa is presenter. To short the time is Alexa to explain the material.
Dari ya AI. How to communicate well. Definition communication. Etymologically, the word communication comes from the Latin communicare, which meant to convey. According to the origin of the word, the meaning of communication is the process of conveying meaning from one entity or group to another through the use of signs, symbols, and semiotic rules that are understood together. From this explanation, it can be understood that the notion of communication is an activity of conveying information, repeat message, ideas, and ideas from one party to another, which is carried out directly or indirectly. This communication activity can be done in two ways, namely directly, namely verbally, or verbally, so that it makes it easier for both parties to understand each other. Indirectly, namely through certain media such as body language, writing, telephone, radio, and so on. Types of communication. One, communication based on the delivery method. When I verbal oral communication, the meaning of oral communication is communication that is directly established without any significant distance. Example of oral communication are, for example, meeting with clients, job interview, or to people who are talking. 1B. Written communication currently. Written communication is usually carried out through technology, application, or media. For example, sends message via email, that via the WhatsApp or BBM or Facebook Messenger application. Two, communication based on purpose and purpose communication can also be differentiated based on the intent or purpose of the communicator. The willingness of the communicator is a major factor in the process of delivering message. Several types of communication based on the intent include page giving, suggestion, or fixing give order give lecture interview. Communication function. 1. As a control tool. 2. As a motivational tool. 3. As an emotional expression. 4. As a communication tool. Communication purpose. 1. So that communicators are understood to be communicated. 2. In order to get to know other people. 3. In order for other people opinion to be accepted. 4. Move order. Communication process. 1. Communicator are actors who convey message to other parties. The actor delivering this information can be an individual, writer, speaker, blogger, act. Can be in the form of a group or a communication organization, radio, TV, newspapers, magazines, etc. 2. Communication. The communication is the party who receives message or information from the communicator. The actor receiving this information can be an individual or an organization. 3. Message is the end-time information conveyed by the communicator. Message as a main theme is a guide and a port to change the attitude and behavior of others. Good communication is one that is message to be accepted by other parties concrete. Sorry, ini ada masalah. Bisa dipencet. Cara ada kendala di sini.
Untuk mohon maaf pada peserta atau hadirin yang menghadiri, nampaknya saudara Reksa ada kendala di sini akan laptopnya. Oke, udah berhasil kayaknya. Ya, silakan dilanjut untuk saudara Reksa.
Ya, dilanjut. For channel are the media used by communication to convey their message to other parties. This channel can be formal or informal. 5. Feedback. Feedback is the answer from the recipients of the message communication to the content of the message delivered by the message giver communicator. 6. Result. Effect. Effect is the end result of communication where the form is a change in behavior and attitude of the communication. These changes can be expected or not in accordance with the expectation of the communicator. 7. Distraction noise. This is a term to describe and distortion or disturbance at any stage in the communication process. This interference can come from the communicator, communicant, or from the channel used. Bentar, ada masalah lagi. Kok nge-stuck lagi? Oke. Non-solution. From the above explanation, we can conclude that communication is a process in which individuals or groups of people create and use a number of information to connect with their surroundings. Good communication is communication that can be accepted and understood by others. The communication process can be done in two ways, namely 13, namely through verbal or verbal, in the indirectly, namely through certain media, such as body language, writing, telephone, radio, and sound. And sudah selesai. Moderator, silakan.
Oh, fine. Thanks, Reksa, for the material. Well, for question, question, nanti. Fine. Tentang mas.
Sekali lagi ada pertanyaan atau tambahan dari masukan untuk institut?
Udah selesai?
Udah, Pak.
Udah?
Udah, Pak.
Oke, ini kita ngobrol aja ya. Udah berapa kali nih semuanya? Berapa kali tampil?
3.
Udah.
3, Pak.
3. 3 lagi.
3?
Ya, Pak.
Ya, Pak.
Oh ya, berarti masih ada 3 kali lagi harus dikebut ya.
Ya, Pak.
Biar segera beres. Dan nanti sekali lagi diseminasi. Jangan lupa aja apa namanya, untuk presenter direkam, terus ya semuanya dipersiapkan lah gitu. Kalau untuk penampilan kayaknya udah sering lihat yang lain juga ya, udah ini paling ya apa namanya, dipersiapkan aja
Siap, Pak.
untuk penampilan berikutnya ya. Soalnya lumayan, berarti masing-masing 3 kali lagi ya, ditambah 1 diseminasi.
Ya, Pak.
Ya, oke, semangat. Ya,
Ya, Pak.
sholat isya aja. Ini presensi udah dibagi.
Untuk presensi sudah diberikan di kolom komentar. Silakan
Oh iya,
para hadirin mengisi presensinya.
iya, siap. Oke, gitu aja. Good luck. See you next time.
Siap, Pak. Terima kasih.
Okay, thanks for
Sok, Sa.
thanks for attention. Please the host untuk menutup.
Siap. Sebalikin lagi hostnya, Sa. Matiin aja langsung, Sa. Kita recording, awas. Recordingnya.